Hey, hi everyone. I'm Naval Yemul here. So welcome to the Power BI playlist. So we are now looking at the third part of logical functions, that is using a switch in DAX. Let us look at the switch function in the DAX documentation. So we have seen how if and nested if works. You can see here this was a how a nested if works. If inside if, now we had only two conditions, so first condition and second condition, so we have taken nested if. Suppose, just in case, imagine that if you have more than two conditions, like if you have 3, 4, 5 conditions, then we are using a switch. So you can look at the syntax here, that is simple switch. It will ask you for the expression and what value you want, and then it will ask you for the result. Then similarly, second expression, value, result. Similarly, third expression, value, result, and so on. So let us look at the example first. So here they are using a switch on the column name called month. So inside that column name, if it is 1, you give me result as January. If the column number, or inside that column, if the value is 2, show me February. If it is 3, put for March, and so on. Okay, so this is how they have given a simple example. But let us try to apply the switch on our same data set, a simple data set. Let me take a new column. Let us decide first. Okay, if I have a salary which is between, like, which is in between or which is less than 30,000, I'll just uh, no, let me think other example, guys. Okay, let me think in this way. So if the region is east, so it should show me a country name, for example, Arunachal Pradesh. And if the country, if the region is north, it should show me Jammu. If the region is south, it should show me Tamil Nadu. And if the region is west, it should show me Gujarat, something like that. So let me create a new column now. Now in new column, I'm using a switch DAX function. So let me write switch a column name itself. Actually, there should be different column name. I'll just expand my formula bar. Then I'll use switch. Now it is asking me for the expression. So I'll take an expression on region column. So in this region column, if the value is okay, this region column, if the value is east, close this. Now we are in the value parameter. If I put a comma, it is asking me, okay, if it is east, what do you want? I want, like, to specify a state, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, Pradesh. Let me put a comma after this. Now it is asking me for value 2. Okay, if it is north, I should get a result like Jammu and Kashmir. Put a comma. If the result is, no, this is value 1, result, value 2, result, and third, if it is south, I should get Tamil Nadu. Let me click it somewhere here. Because of this, yeah, because of this suggestions, I am not able to see this. Okay, let me get Tamil Nadu, and at the end, because we have taken east, we have taken north, we have taken south, let me take west now. Without specifying also, I can write it like Maharashtra. Okay, and let me close this and check it first. So beautiful, you can see east you got Arunachal Pradesh, west it is Maharashtra, east. So how did I get west? So you can see while using switch, at the end it is else, like on this column value 1 result, value 2 result, value 3 result, and the last is the else part. So I'll show you the documentation also. You can see here. So if it is 1, show me this. If it is 2, show me this. If it is 3, show me this. If it is 12, show me December. If it is nothing, like if the number is not from 1 to 12, then write a unknown month number. This is else. So you can see at the last we have else. So we have used else. So you can see beautifully we have used switch. If this would be the case in if nested if, we would have taken 4 or 3 nested ifs. If inside if, one more if, inside if, one more if. So that will lead a confusion. So instead of that, you can use a switch DAX function to do this. I hope you enjoyed this content, guys. If you really liked it and understood it, please like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon. Keep learning. Happy learning. Thank you for watching the video again.